get off his corners? You gonna leave his people be? Or you the one that's gonna find yourself a new plug?
You don't mean that shit?
The fuck I don't. I built this shit. Me. Brick by brick. And I'll be damned if I let you tear it down just cause you don't like the way another nigga talk.
Northside, Northside.
Knew the love was fake, I can sense the hate. Now I say my grace before I eat my plate. I done fed too many niggas that didn't say they thanks. When it was time to do the dishes, I was the one cleaning plates. Now it's fuck it if you hungry. I was down by my lonely, now these bitches wanna fuck. Only do it cause I'm horny, but it's cool cause they want it. They gon' fuck me till the morning, making breakfast when I'm hungry. How can I lose if I'm ballin'? Yeah, I built this shit from the bottom. Yeah, I started off with none, the love I gave, they don't want it. Brother told me not to trust him, I ain't listen. Hard-headed, know the beef I had, I did it. Real nigga, don't forget it. Had to cut her off, she ain't listen, ain't respect me. Probably did me dirty, just how she used to treat me. I ain't trippin' on the better things, my new bitch love fucking. Suck me while I'm sleeping, can't cry about no bitch. I ain't been the one for grieving, I'm a demon. I done ran out of feelings, man, I got my reasons. Yes, I lost it all, but that ain't make me fall. Stood up tall, had to stand my ground, tryna make them proud. Do you love me now? Fucking it, if not, I'ma hit the stool and give it all I got. I'ma make a hit watch, cop a new wristwatch. Fuck it if it tick-tock, at least my wrist high and the block high. You can keep my last bitch, we know that shit dot. Yes, I lost some time, but that ain't made my clock stop or my heart stop. Thorough nigga, keep a Glock, keep a 9. Case a nigga think he taking mine, must be out your mind. I ain't in the drama, said it's a problem, then no problem. I ain't in the talking, less it's about $1. Send a deposit on my mama, I'ma buy my commas. People gon' switch, just forget about them. People said I need a man, I'm good without them. Calling me a twin when we different, ain't no way you came from mama. Homicides in my city, all the trauma. I'm getting from disrespect and now it's flawless diamonds. Diamonds dancing, got a Glock, new ski, just to match it. Whistle for them dogs, yeah, they attacking. For the dead presidents, they gon' get it cracking. Hope you bout that action, yeah, they went low, had to go lower. Best in the city, I'm tryna take it over. You support me, love, if not, you getting rolled over. Ain't no pushover, try to give support, they turned it over. Devil getting closer, I can hear the Reaper calling, I ain't knocking. Ain't no way that nigga stopping, but I'm trying. Father, can you try to stop him? I don't read the Bible, hold these verses that I'm spitting. Make a nigga call with some offers, tryna be with out-of-towners, tryna be with models in a demon, doing donuts in a charger. Bitch hurt me bad, but you know I'm glad I'm off her. Yeah, I'm one-on-one, ain't no other, can I trust him? Fuck these hoes for life, yeah, fuck a condom.